Oh, God, thanks. I have a son now. He will be so good and successful.
Hi, Mum. Can you make me a sandwich, please?
Yes, of course, my son. I can make you a very tasty sandwich.
Mom, can you help me with my homework too? The teacher gave us a lot of homework and I need help. I can't do all of it alone.
Yes, of course, my son. I can help you with your homework too. But remember, I am your mom and I love you more than anything in this world. I can help you with everything you want.
Thanks, Mom. You're the best. Mom, can you tell me how you met my father?
Yes, I can. But why are you asking?
I'm just curious, Mom.
Okay, we met in high school. He was a freshman, and I was really into him. But I couldn't ask him to go out because I was afraid of embarrassing myself in front of him.
Hi, how are you doing?
I think I am fine.
You are the freshman, right? Can you tell me your name?
My name is Jack. I don't have any friends here. Can we become friends?
Yes, why not?
Can you show me around? I don't know where my class is.
Yes, I can.
Oh God, she is cute. Can we go outside for a walk?
No, I am sorry. I have a class to attend.
Okay.
We can play football after school if you want to.
Wait, I can play football? That's weird.
What do you mean? Haha, just because I am a girl doesn't mean I can't play football.
Yeah, you are right. My mistake.
So that is how we met in school. It was hilarious. I can't forget those days.
Haha, I can't believe what I just heard. You two were so stupid.
My son, don't be rude to me. You are the most precious to me. So, my son, how is your university? Do you like it?
It's good, but it can be better.
What do you mean, son?
Can you give me more money? Mom, I really don't like my university. All my friends are in a higher ranked university. I want to study with them, Mom, but you don't give me more money.
You should understand me, son. I work 2 jobs and I can't afford it for you. I'm sorry.
But you told me you can do anything for me when I was a child, Mom.
Yes, I said that, and I am still going to do anything for you, son. But please, you should understand me. I can't afford what you want this time. Your dad is sick and we should prioritize his health.
Yeah, Mom, I know. But please, I want that money. Give it to me. I want to be with my friends.
I can't. What about your dad? Look, son, family, mom, and dad are the most precious things in this world. Friends come and go. You should learn to prioritize your family because they are the only people who love you unconditionally.
Okay, give him the money. Let him be with his friends. I will be fine.
Okay, here is the money. Son, now you have everything you wanted. Can you give your parents some time so we can be together like when you were a child?
No, Ma'am. I'm sorry, I can't. I have a lot of work to do, and I can't just leave them.
You will be able to do it, son. You didn't spend time with us while you were a university student either. When are you going to give us some time so we can be together?
I told you, Mom, I can't. I don't have time. How do you think I get money? I work really hard so we can live the life we have now. Can't you see it?
I understand, my son, but life doesn't go like this. Money comes and goes. The most important thing in this life is your family and those whom you love. If you don't give them time and don't spend time with them, you will regret it.
No, Mom, it's not right. I call it wasting time.
No, son, you are wrong. You will see I am right one day.
Now, I am married to the woman I love. I have good friends and partners at work. I have my own business and everything I wanted. Now I can do whatever I want.
Hi, son. I am proud of you. You are really amazing. You got everything you wanted.
Thanks, Mum. It's great, isn't it?
Yes, it's great, but be careful. After you get what you wanted, it's not the end. You should work harder to protect them. Make sure you are surrounded by trustworthy people.
I will, Mum. I can do anything. I am so confident.
Yes, I trust you, but not those who are around you.
Okay, Mom.
Hi, son. I am sick. Can you spend some more time with me, please?
Mum, you will be fine. Don't worry. I can get you the best doctors in the world. Remember, I am rich now, so take it easy. I'm going to get a really good doctor for you, okay?
Son, I am old and I am sick. I just want you to be with me and spend time with me.
Relax, Mom. I can't for now. I have a wife and children to take care of.
Ah, son, you always ignore me.
Mom, you were right. The people who I was surrounded by were fake. They were with me just for money. My wife cheated on me with my best friend. My children ignore me, just like the way I ignored you. I was wrong. You were right. You and Dad were the most precious things I had. But I couldn't understand. But now I get it. I wish I could spend time with you. But now it's too late, and I can't hold it anymore. I love you, Mom. I am so sorry.
Thanks for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, like and subscribe. We will try to post a video every day.